Welcome to the Engagement Studio, your ultimate digital toolkit for keeping your clients active, accountable, and deeply involved in their coaching journey. Let's face it, keeping clients engaged between live sessions can be a challenge. That's why we've built a seamless hub where you can deploy forms, quizzes, and automated smart nudges to gather critical feedback loops and maintain a strong connection. Here is how you can use the Engagement Studio to elevate your client experience. Building impactful touchpoints starts with our flexible form builder. You can design forms at either a personal or an organization-wide company level. Whether you choose to modify a pre-built template or design from scratch, our drag-and-drop editor makes it effortless to arrange elements, inject custom questions, adjust fonts, and lock in your brand colors. Once your form is ready, you can unlock the real magic: automations. Want a feedback form to automatically send out exactly 1 hour after every one-to-one session? Simply program the trigger, set it to send once, and let the system handle the rest. When sharing your forms, you have full flexibility. You can send them via automations and tasks to be attached to client profiles, or copy a quick anonymous link. Just keep in mind, anonymous links are perfect for open public feedback, but that data will not be automatically pinned to an individual client's CRM record. Next up are quizzes, which are specifically engineered to live inside your digital courses. Quizzes are a fantastic way to build interactive feedback loops, see how your students are absorbing the material, and pinpoint exactly where they might be getting stuck. Simply build your quiz, publish it to a selected course, and view responses directly inside your dashboard. If you need to do a deep dive data analysis or share progress reports with corporate stakeholders, you can export all of your quiz metrics with a single click. Finally, let's look at how to maintain momentum between appointments using automated messages. By combining our AI note-taker transcripts with our advanced AI intelligence, Delenta AI can automatically generate hyper-personalized check-ins and nudges for your clients based on the actual summaries of your last live conversation. You can customize these messages up with dynamic magic tags to instantly pull in specific personal details. You have total control over the launchpad, preview what a message can look like, schedule precisely when it drops, and target it to specific clients and unique packages. To ensure your communication strategy is on track, check out the Message Logs tab. Here, you can monitor the exact delivery status of every single nudge, allowing you to instantly see which messages were successfully sent, which were intentionally skipped, or why a specific notification might have failed. And that is it. With the Engagement Studio, you are no longer guessing how your clients are doing. You are actively gathering the qualitative and quantitative data you need to scale your coaching business while keeping your clients inspired,